Welcome to the severe weather coverage as of May 19th, 2024. It is 9 o'clock, and earlier we had a emergency tornado warning that was just been issued. So I have a new radar I'm featuring of. This is the Omega radar. So I am now doing a Omega radar. So for right now, we do have a tornado warning. Now it's just has just been issued at 8:43. So this is a radar indicated that tornado. This was just a confirmed tornado that was just been issued. So this is now a new technology I'm doing. So I am now featuring of. So so I'm just doing that. So I'm really excited. I'm doing this. I'm gonna go this radar. Nope. There's so many radars. Trying to learn how to new software, but we had that new tornado warning. A couple of storm chasers are out there. Um, so if you're in these areas, if you're in El Reno, you need to take cover right now. We also do have a severe thunderstorm watch as of this moment. So I am just trying to learn how to use this. Um, I am just trying to understand the whole concepts of this. I just got this loaded on my computer, so I am getting used to all the all of it. So we're going to talk about this. We're in a migrational risk. We just had that emergency tornado. This was part of it right here. That we had an emergency tornado warning that's just happened, and now we do have a 5% chance for Wichita, in Oklahoma, and Emperor, Kansas, Ponca City, and then also we have Kansas City, Missouri, Overland Park, Kansas City State Park. Excuse me, Alpha, Kansas, and then we have the high winds, including Oklahoma City, Tulsa. So might be getting some high winds. Well, we already have high winds, so these are the high winds, and then also we have hail, and we're in the 5% of having hail for tonight. Excuse me. Let's go in tomorrow. See what this whole thing looks like. So far tomorrow, it's for Chicago. So not a lot going on, and this is what I'm concerned about. This We're in a slight risk as of this moment. So we'll get that there. We'll get there when it gets closer. So in the meantime, I'm gonna turn this off. Nope. There we go. So I'm gonna turn that off and focus on this tornado warning. I'm still trying to learning how to use this. This is a brand new state of the art technology I'm using. So I'm trying to get all this, understand the whole concepts of this. A friend of mine told me I should download this, get this loaded on on my software, because this is more convenient to use. So So much. That's cell light. That's tropical global. That don't say much. And that's basic radar, and this is the. I want to go to the modules. Like I said, I'm just understanding the whole concepts and how this whole technology works. I'm actually going to try to play this, see what that will do. There's 7 frames. Oh, that's like. But we do have that tornado warning still in play. So far, it's only one tornado. So. I'm just saying a whole lot. How do I get rid of that? How do I take that off? How do I? How that makes me mad when I do. Yeah, this one. Custom locations. Tell me this. I definitely want to turn on the power outage. I don't want to do that. So they did have some power outage. All that from that torn for Blaine County. I'm gonna turn. So we do have some power outage. So this was that tornado. They had like 3,546 customers were out of power. That's almost that's 16%. This was just updated, and then also Rogers Mills County, they had a little bit of power outage too, and then Dewey County had some power outage, but not a lot. But this one did, and then we had this. I don't know how many power outages are reported during that tornado warning. So we'll get details more of that, and then this one expires in 21 minutes, and then we do have that severe thunderstorm warning for the 2 parts of that in Oklahoma. No, I don't need that. I'm just trying to figure out. I don't need that. Nope. All right, here's the weather alert. I could dig that. So I'm gonna customize a severe thunderstorm watch will be yellow. Consider yellow. A flash flood warning could we consider dark green, and then marine? Yeah, we don't even have anything like that. Kind of like that. Well, I'll be. Every time. Good grief. So this will be interesting. I'm gonna activate these just in case. Okay. And they just now issuing another tornado warning. So we have 2 active tornado warnings, 10 severe thunderstorm watch. We have a severe thunderstorm watch, but no tornado watch. But we do have a tornado warning though, and then we do have that flood advisory that's in effect. So we do have a tornado warning. It has just been issued, and it expires at 10 o'clock. So if you're in northern Grady County, they're in South Grady County and central Oklahoma, if you're in those areas, including El Reno, Yukon, Mustang, Union City, Mico, Clement, Bridger Creek, Cedar Lake, and Richland, if you're in those areas, you need to take cover right now. This is for this area. if you're in this area and if you're in right here, you need to take cover right now. You are under a tornado warning. If you're, I'll try to get a good color to use. That makes more sense. So if you're, so I'm gonna clear that box out. So if you're in these areas, like I'm gonna put it right here. If you're in this area, this is that tornado. We got a couple storm chasers are trying to get a good at it. See if you're in these areas, you need to take your cover right now. It is moving, just moving north, just moving east. This is that tornado right there that's indicated, and then we also have another one that's developing right now. I want to go to this updated. Let me update this storm track. I'm trying to find storm track on the Omega radar. If you, well, we got quite of a storm that's building up. So this is that tornado that's going on, and so I mean it's moving towards Metro Oklahoma City. It's moving about 40 miles per hour. I'll update it. It's supposed to be heading to El Reno in 19 minutes, Richland in 33 minutes, Yukon 36 minutes, and Woodlawn Park and Bethany 46, and Oklahoma City in 58 minutes, and Del City in 64 minutes. And then this is the total population. So, and also I do want to track this storm that's moving, possibly shifting southeast to all the way down to Bridge Creek to Newcastle. That's saying it's going moving 40 miles per hour. It's moving down to Micah in 13 minutes, Sooner in 24 minutes, Turtle in 30 minutes, Bridge Creek in 33 minutes. That storm will be heading in those areas. The total population is almost to 30,000. So if you're in these areas, if you're in that area, if there could be a tornado heading your way, you need to take cover right now. So far, it hasn't indicated a confirmed tornado yet. So that's really good news. So on that aspect. So that's really good news. That's not supposed to do a lot. So that's really good news. So but I'm still learning how to use this thing. So what does this mean? Oh, that's play. I like this. This is really cool. And then we got some more rotation storms. This is what I'm talking about. I need to check into the severe thunderstorm storm. This is the one I'm trying to look after. This is now a considerable threat of weather. This thunderstorms could be warning. It's really dangerous. So we also have another one in Kansas, and I'm trying to look after these storms, see what that would do. I am not 100% sure if that's could be a tornado warning, but it's hard to tell at this time. So far we're except for Osage County, we are this Osage County and Pawnee County are under a severe thunderstorm watch. We haven't been issued a severe thunderstorm watch yet at this moment, so I'm just trying to see what this does. It's like okay. So that's everything. Everything is right on this one. I want to see that. What's that supercell look like? There's no difference between a supercell. Would that make any difference? So I'm just learning how to use this, but it's going to take me a while to understand how that works. But okay. Okay. Let me switch radars. Okay, this so it may take a while to understand this, so oh, okay. Let me go back to that radar. Just trying to figure out how to use that velocity. how do I get to the velocity? Like I said, I'm learning how to use this new technology. Okay. No. Don't have to. That was it. So. So I'm learning how to do all these programs. So. But. But yeah, I'm like I said, I'm learning how to use this new technology. So sorry it's taking so long to understand. I think I'm gonna change that. Severe predator. To orange. There we go. No. I'm gonna check on just a moment. I'm gonna check on something. I'm gonna go back, see something for a moment. But this is. Hey, this will help. So let me do this real quick. So I got that down. And I'm going to change this to orange. That would make sense. And then flood watch. Flood running to. Not so much on these, but yeah. And then that tornado watch will be consider yellow. And then severe thunderstorm watch. Okay. Okay, there we go. And I'll have to have a look at the rest. So, but now for right now, there is that tornado warning was dropped, and only got one left. So I want to go back to the severe thunderstorm warnings, and we do. This is now starting to. Well, we got that another one right here that's conservative, but that's only in Kansas. So, and three active flood warnings. So I am just going to watch this, play this a little bit longer. Um, we do have like a potential of severe weather in this week, possibly tonight, like going on right now. We can't believe we had an emergency tornado that just occurred, occurred, and then we do have some active power outage that happened just recently, especially this county right here. So
Timberwolves eliminated the defending champions.
oh wow.
Timberwolves beat the Nuggets, and they're going to the next round. And the Pacers beat the Knicks. So it's Pacers and the Celtics, Timberwolves and the Dallas Mavericks.
That's interesting. I wondered if Timberwolves have not been to the NBA Finals.
So I want the Dallas Mavericks and the Boston Celtics.
And the man wants that, so. I think that's appropriate color right there. Don't you think? Eventually, I'll try to get all the others figured out myself, so we'll go from there.
Yankees are in first. Cleveland is in first. Seattle Mariners are in first. Philadelphia Phillies are in first. Milwaukee Brewers are in first. And the LA Dodgers are in first. The team that has the best record is the Philadelphia Phillies.
So we do have another slight risk of severe weather. Oh, that's what it means. I just can't. I don't know how that works. Oh, I don't know if that would do any good, but still trying to learn how to play it with this thing. You don't have to have anything to do with that. must be on HWRF. No, I'm not seeing it. So that must be a hurricane. So maybe that's only for hurricanes. That's like my only guess. So that's only for hurricanes, so. So there's no telling what I'll be getting. So I'm just gonna go back to this. Figure out. So that's like. So how do I get to the Vela City? That's my question. It won't have anything to do with that. So Chandler, primary. So play some red rotation. 2 hours rotation. That's hell. Okay. 1 hour of hell. So that's how much hell we have. Regular so that's some rotation. So I never think that'd be part of it. So that's just for smoothing. So not a lot going on here. At least I can start customizing. I'm not gonna do that yet. I mean, this is really, really cool, but I do like this. In the meantime, I wanted to see what's going on. I'm really enjoying. Like I said, I'm really enjoying this. I'm just now trying to get the hang of it though. Um, it's just gonna take me time to get used to it. It's a better software that I could ask for, and oh, it look appears that this is now a. I want to go back to this. This is now a confirmed tornado warning, and this is that tornado warning that's been issued and it's heading this direction. If you're in this area, if you're in Oklahoma City, Adele City, Midwest City, Valley Rock, you need to get ready to take cover right now. There is a damaging tornado has been spotted. It has been observed. I don't know how long, but if you're in that area, that this is that possible a tornadic could be heading your way. It's going at least 26 miles per hour. I want to get it. If you're in Oklahoma City and Midwest City, Valley Brook, or Moore, Oklahoma, or Newcastle and Norman, you might need to get ready to take cover right now, especially Bethany. If you're in these areas, you need to get ready to take cover. If you're in Mustang, you need to take cover. This is a damaging tornado. It's expected to be expired 10 minutes, or if it could be extended to that to that area. So you're about. Let me get this going. If you're in this area, this is going. It is shifting right here. I'm having some technical difficulties. Let me close that out. Try to do that. Try to do that again. And it's heading to Oklahoma City. So I'm going to type it in. I don't know what's going on. So I got 2 more alerts. There are severe thunderstorm warnings. So I am not sure what's going on. It's freezing up on me. So it's not letting me enter it. I'm having some technical difficulties. But yeah. I'm going to close that out. I'm going to reboot it. So I'm going to reboot this. This is that radar I was talking about. So there we go. So if you're in that if you're in Oklahoma City, if you have this damaging tornado, it could be heading in 42 minutes and more in 84 minutes. So if you're in those areas, you need to take over right now. and then it's moving right in this area. You know, um, just 25 miles per hour. So if you happen to be in those areas, you're looking at 32 minutes. So you don't have much time. So I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure what it is. Since there was a confirmed large extremely dangerous tornado moving 4 miles per hour. It says the second tornado was located in the West Yukon. So this is a very dangerous situation. Take cover right now. Your life is, you're in a life-threatening situation. So you need to get in your safe spot and take cover right now. I think I'm gonna get off here. I'm gonna go play this more. So I will I'm gonna get off here, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm glad was able to show you this. And have a good night. I'll see you in the next video.